So hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to explain you class 7 maths from R.S. Agarwal, that is chapter 20. Chapter 20 is mensuration. Now in my previous class I have already explained you exercise 20A. Now we will see exercise 20B. Now see, this is the question from exercise 20B, question number 1. What is question number 1? A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. So this is a rectangular grassy plot. So first we will see this till here. We will do the first part. Question number 1, solution. A rectangular grassy plot. Let this is a rectangular grassy plot. We can name this P, Q, R, S. Now here length is given 75 meter and breadth is given 60 meter. So we will write what are the things given. Length, what, PQ. Length PQ is equals to 75 meter and breadth QR. QR is equals to 60 meter. Now whenever we got length and breadth, immediately we have to find out the area. So what will be the area? Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So area is equals to length into breadth. So we will write 75 meter into 60 meter. Now if you multiply this both, so we will get 4500. If you multiply 70 into 60, you will get this, and here is meter. Meter into meter is equals to meter square. So this what we got the area of complete block. Now we will see the second part of the question, what it is saying. Second part is that it has a wide path 2 meter all around it on the inside. Any inside. Inside means inside this there is a 2 meter breadth road path is there, 2 meter. So how to draw? So let us draw a path. So we got this path of 2 meter wide from all sides. So this side is 2 meter, this side is 2 meter, this side is 2 meter, this side is 2 meter. Let us name it as A, B, C and D. Now here also it is in the shape of rectangle. So we have to find out area. Area means for that we require length into breadth. So what will be the length of this? So here see, this complete PQ is 75, but here we have to minus 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. In all, from PQ if you minus, from 75 if you minus 4, that will be the length of AB. So we can say, first of all we'll see width of path. WIDTH, width of path all around is equals to 2 meter. Now length AB is equals to what? 75 meter minus, so here we have to subtract 2, here it is subtract 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have to subtract 4 meter. So how much we got? 71 meter. Okay. Now breadth. Breadth BC. BC is breadth. So here is completed 60, but here we have to minus 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So out of 60, if you subtract 4, that will be the length of BC. So that means 60 meter minus 4 meter. So you got 56 meter. Okay. Now what will be the area of ABC? Now what will be the area of ABC? So we will write area of ABCD is equals to length into breadth. So what is length? 71 meter into 56 meter. So if you multiply this both, if you multiply 71 into 56, you will get 3976 meter square. Okay, so we got meter square. Enough. Now we have to find the area of path. What will be the area of this path? This lining is a path. Means if you subtract smaller rectangle from bigger rectangle, see PQRS is a complete area. If you remove this inside area, so that will be the area of the path. So area of path path is equals to what? Area of PQRS minus area of ABCD. So you have to subtract smaller rectangle from bigger rectangle. So what is the bigger rectangle area? We got here 4500. So that we will write here 4500 meters square minus area of ABCD we got here 3976 meters square. If you subtract these two, you will get 524 meters square. So that is the area of the path. Now, see here what is asked in the question. So find the area of the path. So we got here area of the path. Now, also we have to find the cost of constructing it at the rate of rupees 125 per meter square. So per meter square, for 1 meter square, cost of constructing is rupees 125. So what will be the cost of total area? Total area means area of the path. So here, rate of constructing the path is equals to rupees 125 per meter square. Now what is the total area? Total area is, we got here 524. So what will be the total cost then? So total cost is equals to rupees, this into this we have to multiply 524 into 125. If you multiply, so you will get rupees 65500 answer. Okay, so simple, nothing is there. You have to find out the area of the bigger rectangle, then you have to find out the area of inner rectangle. You have to subtract both areas, so that we got, and whatever the cost is there, multiply it with the rupees, you will get the final answer, isn't it? Only you have to think that whether the path is inside the rectangle or outside the rectangle. Now we will see next question in the next episode. Okay, you till then you practice this.